What is going on, you guys? There's our 1999 YouTube. So, we might get 2 of them done today. Sorry my voice doesn't sound too great. Still a little bit kind of not doing too hot. But that's okay. Wow, now you want Rerod. Great. And he wants Steel. And I know I have enough to get a free train right now, but I'm just saving those until I get better ones. And I am pretty close on unlocking New York Central. I got probably 3 more levels. And I'll be getting New York Central stuff. So only was that easy in real life. Oh, you want ingots. Okay. Ooh, one more level. Oh, I guess he wants screws. Nope. What? Now you want Rerod? Hey! Why are you being so difficult? Oh no, we're out of materials. Yeah, when did you? I don't think this is the wrong time period for George Washington. Let's be honest. No, he wants the screws. Oh, God dang it! I didn't want to deal with screws. I've been screwy as screw. Sorry for the yawning, but I kind of hope you enjoyed this episode. But like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we'll have another episode later. Hey, and we'll see you all in the next one.